back to my channel. Oh my god, that Shin ramen stuff is going down my throat. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY makeover where I basically take this ugly, disgusting, terrible, cheap dining room table and make it into some glamorous pink Bavarian a budget dining table. Also, if you want to know how I'm going to do that and what it's going to look like in the end, then please keep on watching. But before I get on with the video, don't forget to subscribe and push your bell notifications to notify you whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to follow me on any other social medias, I'll have that floating somewhere on the screen, as well as linked down below in the description box. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So I picked up this dining table from Facebook Marketplace, and I got this whole set with the dining table and the chairs for $150. When I got this, I was broke, so I needed something very affordable and that'll do the job because I can't really eat Shin ramen noodles on the floor. So that's why I got this. Now these are very flimsy, very cheap. This is not real, obviously. It is metal. It's not that great, but it did the job, and it still does the job, but I just want to make it look a little more me, you know, pink, beauty, y'all know. So this is not it. This is definitely not it. So now the things that I'm going to need is fabric. Yep, you heard me here, folks. This is the cheapest way to get a tablecloth, and a nice one. Now, if you go online and you get tablecloths or anywhere, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, anyways, you got some boring, ugly tablecloths. That's not really my style. So instead of that, I just went to, you know, Hobby Lobby or Joann's or Michael's and got myself a little fabric. Now this is just like a pink satin fabric. Originally I actually got this for a background, so if you go all the way back to the beginning of my YouTube career, if you can say it's a career, but in the very beginning, I had a pink background, and that's what this was. So, but instead of that, I decided to turn it into a tablecloth, if you will. So that's what I'm gonna do. So basically what you're gonna do first is just lay this pupper out like so. Now make sure that it's washed, make sure that it's clean. Now there's the fabric. I will say I'm doing this DIY after I have made this dining table over for like a year. I just never filmed it, so I'm filming it today. So just to let you know, if you use a fabric like this, you will have small little stains like that. So I would suggest either buying a fabric that's easy to clean, or get something like this, but then get like a clear laminated type of cover on top, just so you can still get the color that you want, but it's a lot easier to clean, because I just took this out of the wash and the dryer, and it still has certain water stains that will never come out. So just to keep that in mind. But you know, I could just get another fabric, but beauty on a budget, like I said. So voila, there you go. You know, just don't mind that. So there's that one. So that's the first step. Now the second step for this DIY are these ugly chairs. Now obviously I like the Blackpink K-pop band, but that's not the kind of look I'm going for in my apartment. So we're gonna change these chairs. Now you might ask, how are you gonna do that? How are you gonna change these chairs? Well, sweet cheeks, you go on a little thing called Amazon, shwabang, and you buy some really affordable chair covers. And I got 4 of these beige color, and they're like velvet feeling, and it's just really nice in my opinion, and it goes really nice with this tablecloth, and you know, it just matches very well. So I will show you. These are really easy to do. So basically what you do is you just take, it's really simple, it's very stretchy like this. So you just put it kind of looks like this. This is what it looks like. So you basically kind of put the chair like this over it, and you pull it up like so, and it, oh hello, and I just pulled the tablecloth, but it looks like that for now. Wow, can you tell my amazing camera work going on right here? And then what you do is you like this, and you basically just pull it over the seat and just kind of adjust it to the chair. And now you have this gorgeous beige velvety chair that goes really nicely with the pink. Ta-da! As opposed to that, you got this. You know, this is alright, but this is voila. You know, just beautiful. So now I'm gonna do that to the rest of the chairs, and I shall be right back. And voila, all the chairs are nice, and it looks a whole lot better with the pink glam theme that's going on here. I will let you know that I will have everything that you will need to achieve this, or most of the things that you will need to achieve this kind of look for your dining table. I will have everything linked down below. The reason why I say I can't leave every single item is because just like the fabric, that's up to you, and there's a couple of little nicks and cranny things that I'm gonna put on this table that I got at like TJ Maxx, so I wouldn't be able to really link it, you know. But as for the seat covers, I got you, boo. They will be linked down below, so go check that out. The next thing that we will need for the dining table are tablecloths. So let's get that real quick. All right, boom. So tablecloths. Now, I will show you what I have, but I will not recommend these. So I wanted to go the cheaper route, the cheapest route, in getting really pretty, what are these called? Mats, table mats. And well, I got this thing called, I got this from I think like Table Factory or something. I will link it down below, but again, I'm not condoning it, okay? If y'all are really adamant about getting the exact ones that I have, then you can go right ahead. But let me give you a short review on these mats. They're terrible, okay? They're not for eating, first off. I got these mats, sorry for the change of clothes, it was getting a little bit too hot up in here in a sweatshirt. But I got these mats from like, I think it's like a wedding company or something, where, you know, to help you get the cheapest things you can get to have a wedding. And well, quality is something that they look over when it comes to, you know, just having it for that one special day. So these are glitter, okay, but these glitter does come off sometimes. Now, not a lot and not all the time, but it does. Like, you can feel the nitty gritty of the glitters, okay, on this thing. So I would suggest getting like a film of like, I don't know, like a laminate film on it, because it is scratchy. It does look nice, but it is scratchy. It's very thin. This is what it looks like on the back, okay. I kind of don't recommend this, because also if you have little droplets, like stains like this, because it's like glitter and you can feel the glitter pieces, it's very difficult to clean. So yes, this video, this makeover is just for looks purposes. Functionality is out the door. You might as well, you know, it's as bad as getting a white dining table. That's how bad of a functionality this thing is, okay? But looks wise, pink glitter, I'm all about it. I'm all about it, especially on a budget, okay? On a freaking budget, this slaps the way that it looks. But I'm not done yet. The next thing, you need a centerpiece for the table. All Glam tables have centerpieces. So what am I going to put on these things, you ask? Let me show you. Ba-bam! This is the centerpiece that I decided to put on my table. So let me try to explain where I got everything. The flowers did not come with the pot. I got these flowers. Actually, I think I got both of them from Hobby Lobby, but they did not come together. This is kind of like one of those like foldable stems. I didn't even take the rubber band off because, you know, I'm lazy. So I just put it in there like that, and I think it looks great. Looks great. Next to that, I have my very first ever Forever Mood cuffing season candle. Forever Mood candle. Smells amazing. I got this stand from TJ Maxx. Oh, wait, no, I got this stand from Home Goods. And then this candle is obviously Bath and Body Works. And then this Bath and Body Works candle stand, cover, whatever, is also from Bath and Body Works. The candle that I have burning at the moment is Summer Boardwalk. Yeah, that's what's here. And then obviously, because I have two candles here, I do have all of my candle accessories. I have this USB electric lighter, as well as the snuffer, which looks really dirty, and then a little snippety snip for the wick, as well as the this thing, don't know what it's called. This set, this rose gold set, I got it from Amazon. I will link it down below. And I got this lighter from Anthropologie. I will also leave it down below. Oh, and then this tray, I believe I got it either at Ross or Home Goods, but one or the other. Obviously things from Home Goods I cannot link, but as for the candles, I can link those. I can link the candle accessories as well. That is my DIY girly makeover. Look at that. It did a complete 180. Looking good. Like I said, looks great. Functionality wise, 0 out of 10. Okay, functionality wise, don't come to this video for functionality because you ain't gonna get it. This is not it. This is not the video for you. This is for the looks, for the pink glam girlies that's on a budget. Okay, just because you like pink and glam things, you don't have to spend millions and hundreds of thousands of dollars to get the best of it. No, honey, fake it till you make it. Fake it with the seat covers. Fake it with the not real tablecloth. Fake it with the once in a lifetime wedding day table mats. And then, you know, the occasional fake flower and candles. Shwabam. So yes, that is everything. Giving a little spin-a-roo for you. Oh yeah, look at you. I feel like a mom at her son's soccer game. So that was my DIY makeover of my very affordable glam, pink glam dining table that has 0 functionality. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below what other pink DIY makeovers would you like to see from me next, and I'll definitely get to filming that for you guys. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and I cannot wait to see you guys next time.